Hey guys, adding annotations to your Excalidraw design is a great way to provide um, a context, explain concepts, and or give feedback. Whether you're brainstorming, creating diagrams, or reviewing designs, annotations help clarify your ideas. Let's dive into how you can easily add annotations to your Excalidraw or to help clarify your ideas. So first, you can use the text tool for simple annotations, right? The simplest way to add annotation is by using the text tool at the top. You're gonna see right here the capital A, right? And you can use it to type whatever you want, and then zoom in if you want to more understanding right here, right? Click the text again and then start typing, and then click anywhere, right, to start typing your annotation, right? And you can adjust that text, right? You can make it bigger, smaller, change the color by clicking the paint icon, right? Let me change that color, and as you can see right here, I changed the color, and I can change the font size and the text align where in the middle, right, left, okay, and the layers. And basically, that's one way to do it. You can also add arrows, right, to point to key areas, right? So let me change to arrows right here, and I'm gonna add that color for the arrows, okay, and then hit the check mark. Let me go back and add the arrow from here. You can also change the stroke width, stroke style, and sloppiness, right? So I can go ahead and right here paint it, go back and apply the settings, and then go right here and click that. Let me cancel this. Let me click this. Yeah, let me make it smaller. You can also change it to point out to key areas, right? You could also use the freehand drawing for detailed annotations. For more detailed or free-form annotations, you can use the freehand, right, or the drawing option. Click the three bars at the bottom left, and then click the command palette, and then try to find the draw. Click draw, and then you can start adding the idea to make it more clear, right? Draw directly on the canvas to create lines or circles or shapes with your hand, right? You can also annotate with shapes or structured notes, right? You can use the ellipse, for example. Click the three bars at the bottom left, command palette, and you're gonna see the tools because I'm new. You can use the ellipse right here to point to your idea, okay? And if you want to add a bit of personality or visual feedback, you can use a sticker or emoji, right? I can add the text right here and add the emoji, for example, and make it bigger and add it right here, right? This is especially useful for collaborative annotations when giving quick feedback to team members, right? And you can collaborate with annotation in real time, okay? Excalidraw makes real-time collaboration easy, so you and your team can annotate together. Click right the three bars at the bottom left, click the live collaboration, and then start session, and start copying the link, share it with other people, and they will have the name of the canvas, which is Busy Dog, right? I'm gonna stop it. And this way people can collaborate and see your comment in real time. Everyone can join and add annotations simultaneously, making it easy to discuss, review, and improve the design together. And that's how you add annotations in Excalidraw. It's super effective way to clarify, explain, and provide feedback on your design. Ready to annotate your next project? Let me know what you're working on. Don't forget, before you leave, like, share, and subscribe follow this channel for more Excalidraw tutorial. See you in the next one.